Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. Today I want to introduce a new waterproof servo for TRX-4 Defender, also for this 118 Traxxas scale car. Okay, the SAVOX new waterproof servo. This one is a micro servo. It's a SW-0267MG. So this one is ideal design for IP67, and then it's designed for Traxxas TRX-4 car. So you just prepare the tool. Then I will assemble in this one for you guys. Open the car, you can see here, it's a servo. This one is a Traxxas one, 2065. So we just disassemble this one. So disassemble this one. You only need SAVOX 12-in-1 tool. So this one is a SAVOX new waterproof servo. It's a SW-0267. So this one is a IP67 and high power, high speed one. So this one is a special design for the Traxxas. The size is perfect fit with the TRX-4 118 scale car. And the teeth for the new micro servo is same as Futaba one, 25 teeth. So you can see that is. Okay, the spec for the SW-0267 is in 64.135 seconds on speed. The torque is around 6 kilograms. It's 83 ounce-inch. Compared to the 2065, it's a more speed and more torque. It's very good for the upgrade servo choice. So this servo already available in the market. Please contact our distributor. Have more information on this. Thank you.
When will this servo be available?
Oh, the SAVOX new IP67, the micro waterproof servo, already available in the market. So in the USA side, you can contact with our distributor, HRP distribution for that.
So what is the length of this cable?
The length for this cable will be 45 centimeters. Due to the car, they need a long cable to fit that.
Why should we upgrade this servo?
The advantage for this servo will compare to the Traxxas RTR1 will be more speed and more torque. So the speed will be 0.135 seconds. And the torque will be 6 kilograms and 83 ounce-inch. So you have more torque, more speed on this servo. That's why we want to upgrade to SAVOX. And also, this one is an all metal gear. Compared to RTR1, it's a plastic gear. It's that advantage. So if you have any question on this micro servo, please contact with us or leave the message. Thank you.
Thank you.